me. If Nigeria is a war with me, if Nigeria is a working country, everybody will have a voice. Everybody's voice will count. Am I supposed to be fighting people who will use the taxpayers' money to fight me back? Am I supposed to drain my business capital that I'm using to manage my life and that of my family to fight someone in power? And at the end of the day, I might not still get justice, because even the people that will give the justice, they've built houses for them and they have them in their pockets. I had to look at what was going on, the corruption that was staring me in the face. And I have to accept an offer that shouldn't be in the first place. I'm truly very sorry. I've not been myself. I'm not happy about it. It was not easy for me. All my life, I stood firm to condemn corruption, to speak against injustice, to fight for the oppressed. So how then can I come after waiting for 12 years to go for the end? But looking at the situation that was facing me, I had no other choice but to succumb to the offer in order to collect what is rightfully mine. Nigerians, please, let's not fail ourselves. Come 2027. Please, let's not fail ourselves. Let's not fail ourselves again. Come 2027. The country belongs to only Nigerian politicians and their children. The corruption is so much. The corruption is so much. Please, Nigerians, come out en masse and vote against corruption. Come 2027. I am sorry and I sincerely apologize. God bless you. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.
Definitely, Showore and the rest saw oppression in this issue, and they did an aluta whereby they staged a protest that she has to be released. And later she said she slumped. That slumping, when she slumped, sorry for those who might think I'm not emotional enough or empathetic. That slumping, when she slumped, I saw it as a drama. You know, like the things all these our politicians do when they arrest them. Like they will say they have broken their neck, or they can't walk again. Their hand has done like this. That was what me I did see that time. But Mika just they observe. I still they observe go until she granted the interview. And during the interview, I said this woman is not a truthful person. She's not being honest with her story. Something is hiding in that her story. And some of the things I questioned then was, number one, how do you keep doing business for somebody that refused to pay you, to the extent you even use your children's school fees to do business for the person? So my reservation about the story was, could it be friendship gone sour? Of course, money is involved, no doubt. Money is definitely involved. Now, how do you do business to the tune of 25 million for somebody you don't have you understand? And there is no documents, no receipts, no sample, nothing. For somebody doing corporate business, I have done business, I have done this kind of a thing before, though not large. You know, I told you I was into so many things then. I put my hand in this one, I tried this business, I tried this one until I won't buy before I slow down. Say make I no come buy as I look for money. I have done corporate gifts, very few, little, not so much, for some company. One of the people I did it for then was City Corp or something in Lagos. I did some corporate branding thing for them at that time. And I did during Christmas. I do basket. I still do those things, So there will be sample, there will be memo, there will be something that will especially when that person is still owing you money. They are not done paying you money. You want to keep every details. Ampers, thank you, in those days. And when you are to do ampers, despite the fact it was ampers, you will write proposal, they will approve. After approving, sorry, okay. It's like my daughter is sending me a message. Mommy, I'm in a meeting. Let me close my door so I can speak. She's doing meeting, she's working from home. So my voice is loud. Let me close the door. I will try. But my voice is always loud, so let me close the door for her. So she won't hear my voice. 1 second, guys. Again, I'm in a meeting. Ni commercial meeting. So I can be free to do my show my way. My voice is naturally loud. If she leave me alone. I don't close door. Mommy, I'm in a meeting. Your voice is loud. All right. Okay, you did that amper business with your guys in those days. Executive corporate gifts and things like that. So there will be, you will write proposal. You will have your own copy of the proposal because they have to approve the amount they are agreeing on what you are doing. Secondly, they will reply you with remember, this is not the age of phone, where you can do email and all the rest. We are talking about when mostly Nigerians will do business on paper. Okay, so there will still be a document. They will still send you approval of that proposal if they agree to your price or the amount they want to pay. You still have to reply them again to say, okay, you have approved or you have not approved. Then after that, there will be a paper again that they will send that, okay, this is the quantity we want. Please, join business. If you have done such businesses, please bear me witness. They will still now send you a paper that, okay, this is the quantity we want. After that, they will send you a check as deposits. You will have told them the percentage you want ahead of that business, and they will have responded, this is the amount we are going to pay, and all of that. And at the end of the day, they will send you a check as advance payments. Then after delivery, they will send you balance. So my question, despite the fact that this man said he's a politician, let's agree he was a politician. True. And you guys don't have any personal relationship. And the man say, I want you to do business for me. Just go and do it without paying a dime. You did the first one, he didn't pay you your money. You did the second one, he didn't pay you your money. And you went ahead to the extent you used your children's school fees to do business for him. The rate at which it was even easy for this man to bring you into his house was kind of. So those are my own questions. That can this woman really tell us what is really the kind of relationship they have? Then we can understand where all this story is coming from. Now, we spoke about that, and later she said at the end of the day that this man is owing her 25 million. So then 12 years ago, 25 million was a lot of money. That was when dollar was how much? Dollar was about 300 or so, or 250. So calculate, that's a lot of money then. That was a lot of money. So you did business to that tune. No evidence that you did such business. Now, you now got a lawyer through Showore, Barrister Marshall. She got a lawyer through Showore. The story going around now is that she's fighting a lawyer. Tracy has been fighting dirty with her lawyer since yesterday. Not only a lawyer, very dark man has been included, and another guy that they call activist, flag boy. She has been dragging all of them. In fact, the next person she's going to drag is Adetoun, but she says she's not ready for Adetoun yet. Now, what is the problem here? Remember, she brought out a video of apology where she threw everybody under the bus and said nobody should interfere anymore, that they have settled and they have agreed to pay her all her money. We don't know how much they agreed to. And we were all like, wow, just like that, 110 million, how much was the dollar? We calculated it then and said, so they will just pay us such money. And Showore was asking, where is that money coming from? That was Showore's concern, that is a stolen money, blah, 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 blah. You know, he didn't say stolen money, but that was what he was thinking. How can you just raise such money under how many days, and you are going to pay this woman what you have refused to pay her? When this woman came out, she never told us the details of the story other than she was apologizing, and everybody they want to have their privacy now. They don't want to talk about it anymore. Everything was settled. Apparently, she was expecting 350 million. They now paid her 100 million, plus or minus. It all depends on the exchange rate. It's between 98 million to 101 million that she got. It all depends on the exchange rate. So as at today, it's about 98 million. Okay, as at today, no, as at last night, it could have changed now. As at then, it was about 110 million. So approximately $70,000. That we didn't know that was how much she was paid until yesterday she came out. Meanwhile, you saw that video I just played. This lady is a manipulator. Sorry, for people who love her and allow me to land before you chop me. I repeat, Tracy is a great manipulator. Why did I say she's a manipulator? Immediately she got that money, from my own opinion, something started happening, but we didn't know. Now today, before I go back to why I call her manipulator, let us listen to her video that she's been talking about. The video she released, I've tried to couple them together and fast them, make it very fast, use speed for it. Very dark man has spoken, flag man has spoken, and the barrister Marshall has spoken. That barrister Marshall is Showore's lawyer, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't make him a saint. From the little about the story as well, it doesn't make that guy a saint as well. But at the same time, I will still put everything back to Tracy, and I will tell you why. Now they've all spoken. Okay, let us listen. You know, I keep saying one thing in this for some time now. I say it's becoming very difficult. When people love money too much, please don't fight for them. But if you want to be honest with yourself, an average Nigeria will buy because of money, and for that is why it's very difficult to fight for Nigerians. I'm beginning to really see it 100%, in fact 1000%, that it's tough to fight for Nigerians, or else you will find yourself where you don't want to find yourself, for supporting them or fighting or standing up for them. Because when they see money, they will now then go finish your life, now then go sell you out. From the little advocate I have done on my own page, I experienced it. If a woman who lost her son can take bribery and call me back to mind my business, a woman who claimed they buried her son and buried the son inside her own house, and they exhumed that child inside her own house where she lives, and she can come back to tell me to mind my business, then I know it is tough to fight for Nigerians. Anyway, let's listen to Tracy. Then I will tell you why I'm calling Tracy a great manipulator. And I think she has learned it from being a pastor, from being a church person. She has learned how to manipulate and use sentiments to capture people. But of course, not all of us will be captured. No be all of us go dey captured. no be all of us go be mumu. An average Nigerian will sell you because of money. Look at people who fought the government years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago. Today, they are part of the same government and laying curses on people. Today, laying curses on people who will not support the same government they caused just because the government did not give them face. Today, they don't chop belle full. They are now fighting people that will speak against the government. Let us listen to Tracy. Okay, which one are we going to listen to first?
On the Nigerian Bar Association, to call on the president of the NBA, Mazi Afam Osigwe, to call on Barrister Femi Falana SAN, because Marsh, when he was singing his praises to high heaven, said he has been under your chambers, that you were the one that trained him, and you're not a man of questionable character. So please, sir, I would like you to look into this case and ask Marshall to give me my money, my payments. Fast forward to when the hospital incident, after I was kidnapped from my house in Lekki. Remember that during the incident in the hospital, Senator Ireti Kingibe came and assured us that he was going to reach out to my oppressors and ask them to pay me my money. Now, she indeed kept to her word, and she met with my oppressors, and they spoke over the phone and had meetings. Now, when I left Lagos, my lawyers in Lagos did not come to Abuja, because to the glory of God, I reached out to my leader. Immediately I was arrested, I reached out to my leader myself, Omoyele Showore, and also gave his number to my husband, who was also following up. May God bless him for always standing in for Nigerians, for always standing in for the oppressed, for always fighting this cause that is not easy against corruption. Now I reached out to my leader, and he was able to come together with other comrades. God bless you, sir, and many other activists. That God Almighty will bless you people. Your names are too numerous to mention, but I respect all of you. Now, Marsh Abubakar reached out to me and said that he spoke with my oppressor via Senator Kingebe's phone, and that he has requested to have a meeting with him. I said, okay. Later, he called back and said, we have a meeting in the evening, and that they are also coming, and the meeting will go in Senator Ireti Kingebe's place. So at the time of the meeting, we all met. They were there, I was there. So before that time, Marsh Abubakar told me that the man said I should do a video, and that video I should just tell Nigerians that please, they should shoot their sword, that he has decided to settle out of court, and that let's give peace a chance. This thing now that I said exactly what Marsh Abubakar told me, and I don't say anything wrong in it. And somebody cannot be proposing peace, and you want to continue the fight, because what we've always wanted was peace, a peaceful resolution. I said, okay, there's nothing bad about it. So I made a video saying, thank you Nigerians for your support. I would like to inform you that for now, there has been a proposal for us to settle amicably out of court and to shield our sword. Let's give peace a chance. That was the video I made. So and when I came back, he said I should send it to him. I said, no, why should I send it? He said, I should trust me and send this video to me. I said, no, I'll be with this video. He said, no, trust me. He said a lot of things, his conquest. Yeah, I should trust him. They are offering billions in this Abuja, he did not collect, blah, 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 blah. I sent that video to him. We now went to the meeting. When we got to that meeting, Senator Kingibe asked him, have you seen what he forwarded to me? He said, no. He said, okay, I'll forward it to you. That was that option. The list itemized options. I posted it on my page. Nigerians, I was carrying people along. Immediately after that meeting, when they gave me those options, and I said, never. I will never do it. And he said he will pay with his money. I said, I will not do it. I will not do it. No way. I'm going to ruin my personality, my image, and everything. And I'm not going to do it. So, immediately I was leaving that meeting, they slammed me with a demand notice, a lawsuit in Ebonyi State, believing that they can weaken my spirit. Now, I now began to realize something, that the person who was supposed to be representing me was trying to weaken my spirit. He will come, say something like, your this thing is weak, your evidence is weak. I said, how? How can my evidence be weak? My videos are there. How can my evidence be weak? So they said a lot of, I don't want to go into it anyway. I want to focus on this story. Okay, now, he came back to me after the meeting, that the man has called him. But before that time, remember, that's options I posted on my page. I also forwarded it to my leader, Omoyele Showore, including the demand notice. Marsh Abubakar was mad with me. He was mad with me. He said, why did I forward it to Omoyele Showore? Why did I forward that demand notice and the options they gave me to consider to Showore? Why did I post it on my page? I said, no. Nigerians have stood up for me. Nigerians have been there for me. I have to carry them along. This guy was mad. He was very angry. He said, no human being must know about this. That if any other person knows about it, that you pull his hand off. I said, but these people are with me. These people have fought for me. How can I not carry them along? Including the demand notice. Marsh Abubakar was mad with me. He was mad with me. He said, why did I forward it to Omoyele Showore? Why did I forward that demand notice and the options they gave me to consider to Showore? Why did I post it on my page? I said, no. Nigerians have stood up for me. Nigerians have been there for me. I have to carry them along. This guy was mad. He was very angry. He said, no human being must know about this. That if any other person knows about it, that he will pull his hand off. I said, but these people are with me. These people have fought for me. How can I not carry them along? So, he said I should choose between telling Nigerians or between allowing him to do this, to tidy it up and fix it. So we sat down. We agreed that, okay, there will be no posting of any of the intersections or whatever meetings that they're having to sort the issue out, that I was not going to be posting it. Every time he calls me, said, what did you tell Showore? I said, not tell Showore anything. Okay, so who have you been telling? Because they're calling me, telling me. I said, nobody. So that alone was a red flag. Because I don't know why he's making sure that I was not speaking to anybody. I kept calm. Because to me, there is no profit in war. All I needed was my payments. All I needed was a way to end this injustice. It has been done to me. Now he came to me and said, this man has told me to tell you that please is ready to pay you the 305 million, 550,000 you're asking for. And to also compensate you. And to also compensate you. Nigerians, listen what Marsh told me. And to also compensate you for arresting you and the body shaming you're complaining about. He even said after the payment that I can bring you to his office for him to give you contract. I said, I don't want his contract. The one that will set me up tomorrow. Just collect my money from me. My full payment, which is I said that is not a problem. He has sworn by his mother's grave that he will pay you that full money of compensation for all the stress he has put you through. I said, okay, so what do you want me to do? He said, you should please do a video. And I said, how can I do a video? What about the first one I did? He said, no. That you should meet him halfway. You should try and do a video trying to help him mend his public image. Because all these things have affected his political career in a negative way. He even sent me the classmates video. I said, no, I cannot be part of this plan. I cannot be part of this pattern. He said, this man just did a video denying everything. And they have paid him. I have the evidence. I can show you people. They have paid him. And I said, no, I cannot. I cannot because I know this guy. I cannot do any video to retract anything. Because what I said is exactly what happened. Marsh kept on pressing me. I said, madam, collect your money. This guy is willing to pay you this amount you're asking for as your debt and compensate you. Collect this money and go back to your business. Collect this money and go back to your business. This is my own advice to you as the lawyer representing you. And listen, I'm not going to, you have to send this video to me. I'm not going to give him this video. I'll play it from my phone. He will see it. You will receive your money first. When you receive your money and confirm that it's complete, then I can release the video to you. This was what Marsh told me. Marsh pushed me into doing this video. Marsh sent me the script to do this video. Marsh asked me to trust him and release this video to him. Did Marsh keep to his word? No. I trusted Marsh as the lawyer representing me and gave him this video. Now, only for Marsh to call me and give me $70,000. And I asked him, what is this? I asked him, what is this? Marsh said he got there, they gave him something, he collected. Have you people ever seen where a lawyer gets to a place where he's supposed to confirm with his clients? He did not call me. He did not call me and say, see how much they are giving me. Should I collect or should I not collect? Marsh collected 70,000 according to him. Marsh, before you gave me the script, before you came to me and said I should do this video, you said my oppressor has told you that he has sworn by his mother's grave to pay me my money with all damages for the space of 12 years. For all the public assaults, the locking up, I slept in cell, I left my family. Marsh, where is my money? So why did the topic change after you have collected money? How did you collect the money without calling me to confirm and tell me how much they gave you? How? How? You have ruined my image, my brand, my integrity, my person. Marsh, how? I want to know, Marsh. Marsh, how? Barrister Marsh, where is my money? Barrister Marsh, where is my payment? You gave me a script, Marsh. You forced me to do this video. Every time you keep threatening me that if I do not do this video, you will take your hands off the case. You said the person told you he's not willing to pay me and compensate me for even arresting me and body shaming me in public. Then he said it's not somebody that is looking anyhow. Marsh, where is my money? If you want me to ruin my personality and integrity, is it for $70,000? Marsh, please, where is my payment? You threatened me that you go all out, you come for me, you will do this to me, you will do that to me. You will ensure I'm locked up. That is what you, Marsh, said. Marsh, where is my payment? Marsh, where is my money? Marsh, how did you release the video without me collecting my money? I gave you my videos in confidence. You said I should trust you and release my video to you. I gave you my video. You told me that I will receive my payment before you release the video. Marsh, where is my money? Where is my payment? You cannot be making, you cannot use me. You cannot use me, Marsh. You have no integrity. You cannot use me. You cannot use me. Where is my money? Marsh, is this the agreement? Marsh, is this the agreement? Every time I disagree with Marsh, I have to speak to my lawyers in Lagos. Masha said no. I have to talk to Nigerians. Masha said no. I have to discuss with my... Masha said no. Let me talk to Shawara. Masha said no. And if anybody hears about it, he will pull out his hand. Masha, what was your interest? What was your ulterior motive, Masha? Masha, I need my payment. You have ruined my name, my integrity. How much do I use in laundry containers? What is $70,000? You messed me up. I can't eat, I can't sleep. You have messed me up. Now you're threatening my life. Masha, please, I need my payment. Nigerian Bar Association, please, with all due respect. Mazia Pharmacy Way, please, sir, look into this case. This is so unethical. How can Masha release my video against the agreement we had without me receiving my payment? How can Masha accept payment without calling me to tell me out of the 305 million, look at how much they gave me? Masha collected without calling me. Masha collected all his own without calling me. Masha, give me my money. Masha, give me my payment. Masha, you forced me to do the video. Masha, you make sure I don't speak to anybody. Masha, you make sure I do not talk to anybody. You kept on threatening me, Masha. Give me my money. Masha, I need my money. By Stefani Falano. Masha was singing his conquest and presence and integrity. Said he trained under you. Please, sir, you are like a father to me. Tell Masha to go and get me my money. Tell Masha to release my money. There is something going on in Nigeria people have not yet realized. There are genuine activists in this country, but there are those, and like genuine lawyers into activism, but there are those for ulterior motive. Anytime any Nigerian has an issue, has a problem, they want to take advantage of it. What they're calculating is not how to save you. What they're calculating is how much to make on your head. Masha, give me my money. Masha, give me my money. You forced me to do this video. Masha, you forced me to do this video. You said my money will be paid in full. Masha, you must keep to agreement. I know you know all the chief judges. I know you know all the magistrates. And you said, you know, you will take me to a court where they will lock me up. Masha, give me my money. Give me my money, Masha, and then lock me where you want to lock me. Masha, give me my money. NBA, Nigerian Bar Association, the NBA president, Masha Pharmacy, your lawyer, Masha Abubakar forced me to do a video. Forced me not to speak to anybody. Masha said my money will be paid in full. That my operation has sworn with his mother's grave. Masha ended up giving me $70,000. What will I do with $70,000? He said that amount you collected his legal fee. Please, everybody should come and tell Masha. Nigerian Bar Association, tell Masha. Masha said that the video will not be released until I have received the alert. Masha said that the video will not be released until I have received my money in full. Masha, how did you release the video without me receiving my payment? Come and tell Nigerians. Nigerians want to know. They offer you this, you refuse. They offer you this, you refuse. Masha, you're not a good person. I know what you people are doing in this country. I know what is happening. I know what is happening. This cooperation with some activists, so that if anybody attacking people, use the platform and mess the person up. I don't have the platform, but what you see, I will not close my mouth. This has to end. You cannot make money with me. You cannot make money. I suffered for 12 years. I cried for 12 years. I lost my father. I need my payment. Masha, I need my payment. NBA, please come and caution Masha to release my payment. Master Sam, caution Masha to release my payment. By the family Famara, caution Masha to release, to stick to the agreement and release my payment. Thank you, Nigerians. I have all the videos where Masha said that I'll be paid in full and I'll be releasing them gradually. When I told back the ones that when it is necessary, I will release the bomb. Thank you. All my life, all my hard work, all my life since I was a child. Those that know me can attest. For Uniport, I will enter night bus. I will be in school. I will enter night bus. Start in attachment from Botako to Idumota. To go and buy good supply to TSKJ. Buy food, buy tissue, buy everything supply to TSKJ. Supply, enter the Dallas, enter Gisco. God is good. Gisco. That Dallas motors supply to body. And we gather those inside the flying boat. Engine of the flying boat will die in the middle of the sea. Only me will be in that boat. The driver we swim to go and find that boat to come and transfer my goods. Since I was a young girl. To rest my siblings. I feel so for all these things. I sold clothes as a tailor. Going to Senegal. That I have a job to bring in Senegalese clothes. Many of you that know me today, you bought your clothes from me. Now look at all my years of hard work. Let's stop just like that. Just tell me, okay, what am I living for? My reputation is gone. My personality is gone. My integrity is gone. God, what type of country is this? It is not the reason why it is difficult to find any young girl that want to sit down and work these days. Wouldn't it have been better? I was living the life of sleeping around with people's husband, sleeping around all over the place. What kind of life is this? How God can I become this country? How did I find myself in this country? What type of country is this? What type of country is this? You will labor as an individual. At the end of the day, you are frustrated. You're pushing to the... Oh yeah, now. Let me know my... I watch out, you should come and kill me. You should come and kill me. You should come and finish me at once. Because I've lost everything.
Nothing good.
I've lost everything. So, how can I get a lawyer? And I can no longer trust my lawyer. As I was seeing where MDM president, is this what the legal body is now all about? So it's not all about who can offer the highest money. How can I have a lawyer representing me? But I cannot trust him. So now I have to start advising young ladies to not to bother working hard, not to live a life of decency. Yeah. Okay. Now I know better. Hey, Jesus. So this is it. Okay. You guys have succeeded. No problem. No problem. You guys succeeded. Come and arrest me. Come and do what you want to do with me. I am ready. Come and arrest me. Come and arrest me. Come and arrest me. David, nobody come and arrest me. So there is no pastor in this country again. No man of God in this country. And I sit David went to buy him down and ask him to do the right thing. You owed me for 12 years. On top of that 12 years you owed me. You arrested me. You came to my house and kidnapped me. Took me away from my innocent children. Little children. I don't have a nanny in my house. My children were all alone. You took me away from them. I slept in the cell. Has your wife ever slept in the cell? I slept in the cell. You locked me up. I slept in the cell. You humiliated me. You have body shamed me on different occasions, saying I'm looking anyhow.
Now, because of waiting you
Masha, I trusted you. Masha Abubakar, it will be difficult in this life for me to forgive you. But what you did to me, I trusted you. What kind of country is this? How did I find myself in this country? How did I find myself in this very country?
Hey, Nigeria, we hate you. How did we find ourselves in this country? It is well with you, my sister. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? And that was why the likes of Showore and the rest, they stood up for you. They stood up for you, say make them no lock you up. You said you lost everything. How you take lost everything after 12 years? You where you I should see your container, where land, which day where you they offload. You say you lost everything. They gave you $70,000. You lost everything. You see this story? When I started monitoring this story yesterday, I said, where is all this coming from? In fact, I don't know, say they give her 70,000 at that time when I saw this video. I say, but they say they gave this lady money. Why is she now asking for Abubakar, where is my money? Abubakar, where is my money? I said, does it mean they push this lady to go and talk? She no collect money ni? Which kind of mumu be this? I share our sister don't collect $70,000. As I begin search, I can't understand the game. Why I still call her, say she's a great manipulator. I will tell you why I say she's a great manipulator. Because number one, I didn't even know they paid her 70,000 initially when I was seeing all this video trending. But I had to be very patient because she was releasing it in batches. I now look for her page. I now saw her page. You know the game this lady played? When they gave her the 70,000, I will read the response of Abubakar. Talo sọ pé woman support your fellow women. Clementi. I know they do women supporting women. Sorry. On my channel is not for women supporting women. My channel is for women supporting righteousness and the truth. She's the one to tell us the truth, then we know what to support. I cannot support what is not clear. No vex. When somebody come out and start crying just anyhow, tell us wetin happen gangan, then I can know what to support. But when somebody come with a story wey no clear, how can I as a woman, I'm doing business of multi-million with somebody, either man or woman, I no go do am on paper. Then say make this lady produced wetin dem dey call am evidence of her business wey she do with Ewumayi. We know say Ewumayi na bad or good person. Politicians, to me, they are all the same. I no like politicians. I dey always talk am. But that one no be say because I no like politicians. Once somebody cry out, I go say yes, so let us buy the person. We have to buy the person. Me, I know they do like that. Sorry. So I'm not woman supporting woman. You know why? I get woman picking, I get boy picking. It could be my child tomorrow. Let us support the right thing and ask the right question. Watch my previous video on this particular show, on this particular issue. Then you understand. The interview she went to grant, where she shot herself on the leg several times in that interview. Make Tracy tell us the kind of relationship that is existing between her and Umahi. Let Tracy tell us why she was doing business without collecting backlog, and she continued to use her money to continue to do the business. Let her tell us what Umahi no go talk because of his status. Let her tell us what they were promising each other that made her to continue to the extent she used her pikin school fees, her children's school fees, to do business for Umahi where they hold her. And in her story, she shot herself on the leg. Iye lo wa confused, Margaret. Iye wa confused. If you come with insult, I will send you back home. Margaret, iye wa confused. Uri iye buru. Me, I never asked forgiveness from the minister. If you are not following me, maybe you are mixing me up with another blogger. Not me. Ejo, my subscribers on this channel. How many times I don't do show for Umahi? Just once. Moderator mi wa and beauty ba mi shadan. Kò jẹ́ ó gbọ́rọ̀. I just did show for Umahi once. And in that video, please tell me when I asked for forgiveness for Umahi. Ejo nítorí Ọlọ́run. Don't confuse me. I know you people know they stay in one place. So you might think it is me when it is not me. Let's go forward, Jire. Now, between me and you as an adult, I don't know, say Tracy get another lawyer. Tracy has her own lawyer. Somebody now volunteer to be your lawyer. You now say, oh yeah, go ahead and be a mediator on this case because they were part of the people that did. Okay, she was not talking to me. They should not be insultive even if they are not talking to me. Come civil. I've always said that. I won't know whether it's me or not me. They should be civil. They should be civil when they are commenting. Timbari insults, ma ro pe mi number we. I've told them this one several times so that I will not jam wrong people together. I just say, madam, you are confused. Oh. Margaret, if you are coming back, no vex. You people should be civil. Either me or somebody else. That way we won't have confusion on the channel. If I just say insult, I go think say na me. I've told you guys several times. She's saying the woman is confused, not me. What is she blocking? What if you see how many minutes time out no phone? How many time out no phone? Temitope, how many minutes time out? Now Temitope give am time out, no be me. Anyway, let's continue. Let's assume somebody, your lawyer or somebody representing you, comes with something. The person now tell you, don't talk to this, don't talk to that, don't talk to this. It's only what I say. And as a full grown adult, you know reason now to talk to anybody, including your lawyer, that will give you legal advice. Lawyer Lagbaja, this is what that barrister is telling me, but I just need your advice. What do you think I should do? And you went ahead. You were agreeing because you want to be shady too. And that was why the likes of Showore that by Marshall is working for, did not know about the deal. You have done everything other than taking responsibility for your own errors on this case. What are your errors? Errors of talking to the right. The moment somebody said people that are involved in a case, don't tell them. That was a red flag. But because you you are thinking once you collect the money, You won't share it with others. You refuse to talk, thinking when they bring the money. Now, I will still read Barrister Marshall's response. The barrister now said, this is the amount you said you were asking for, the agreement they had between them. Margaret, I don't think she can do it. I'm the one that has to do it. Please, if you are giving anybody time out while I'm doing show, make it just 5 minutes in case there is confusion. So Margaret, please, in case you come back, I apologize and I will still apologize again. Please, so that we can be, that's why I say be civil. Now, they were telling you that, don't tell this, don't tell that. But because you love money too much, you refuse to speak. You refuse to take counsel. You refuse to seek anybody advice. You kept quiet. You now did video. The same video, you posted it. After posting it, you say you are not the one that posted it, that it was your lawyer that posted it. If your lawyer say record a video, you did not even wait to collect your money before recording video. You said you have not collected money. Meanwhile, in that video, you said you have settled the case. So you have not collected money, as at the time you did video that you have settled the case. Now you now collected money. After this lady collected money, she now saw the money they gave her was all they were going to give her. For her to come back and manipulate Nigerians as a manipulator that she is. Many may not see this, but I saw through this, and I'm very sure many people saw through this. She now released a video. That was when she came out to apologize, because she wanted to come and fight again, and she needed Nigerians to listen to her. After apology, she went for days. We don't hear anything. We thought the case was settled. Meanwhile, this same person, immediately she collected the money. Come and see the video she did. Let me put it for you. So I don't know where this is coming from. That is my question. This is the video she did. Immediately she collected the $70,000. Help me to calculate $70,000. They are owing you, if truly they are owing. If truly they are owing, okay, they paid you $70,000, which is equivalent of $100 million. That is times 4 of what you are owing. You say they are owing you. Immediately she collected the money. This is the video she released.
Nigerians, please, Nigerians, wherever you are in Nigeria, I would like to send out this message. If you know anyone, anybody at all that has been locked up in a police cell unjustly, you know this person is innocent and this person is serving time in the prison unjustly, is serving time in the prison. The person that locked them up out of intimidation, oppression, or because they have a higher hand. Please simply send me a message to my DM, contact me ASAP, so that my legal team can look into it and will begin the process of reopen up their file and start the process of getting them out of bail, getting them out of jail. Please share this message. If you know anybody that has been unjustly locked in any school, in any prison, in any police cell, anybody that you know that is innocent and has been locked up in any cell across the sisters of Nigeria, anybody that you know is innocent and has been locked up in any prison, please reach out to me, Nigerians, so that my legal team can reopen their files and start the process of getting them the freedom that they deserve. This country belongs to each and every one of us. This country belongs to us, and we have equal rights. Even with our corrupt leaders, we have equal rights. Every Nigerian deserves freedom. Thank you. And please drop your account numbers. We have giveaway for I have given away for 50 men and 50 women. So on Instagram, we're going to split it. Instagram should be 25 men and 25 women. Facebook the same, 25 men, 25 women. And I will announce that of TikTok for them. Please just drop your account numbers for these giveaways. Drop your account numbers. Drop your account numbers. The money I was paid was used to clear a bank loan, an outstanding bank loan, a very bad loan. It was used to pay my legal team and bank loan. I did not spend a kobo from that money. I used the balance to give to the old people's home yesterday afternoon. Yes, I went there and I gave to them. Please, but don't worry, it is well. I understand. Yes, drop your account details. If you're on Facebook, under the comment section, drop your account details. If you're on Instagram, drop your account details. Let's help one another. We are here for you, and we're going to fight through this corruption to regain our country back. Yes, a new Nigeria is possible, and the time is.
So that is the first video she dropped when she collected the money. If truly she was expecting more money, why would she be in a hurry to spend the first money? I mean, because she was expecting more money, she carried the $70,000. She said she take and pay all the debts wey she dey owe. 70,000 o. Eba me calculate the $70,000. That is, as at yesterday, 98 million plus. 98 million plus. She said she don't take and pay some bad debts. She don't take and pay this one. She don't pay that one. As a mother, as a father, may your children not, your girl child, your boy child, may they not have relationship with somebody that will hold them by their brokers to be paying for what they did not chop. I know say the guy no hold her, but what is he owing her for? That is the question. Is it truly the business deal that the man is owing her for? Is it truly souvenir the man is owing her for, or more than souvenir? Are you getting me? You are not getting me, guys. If you are getting me, help me to click like on this video if you never click like. Is it souvenir? No come and say because somebody no wear earring, somebody no put makeup, somebody look like innocent. I dey ask question. I say shey na souvenir that man dey hold, I be dey hold more than souvenir. And I say may your children when they get to the place of authority, when they get to the place of shining, may they not see somebody that will hold them by their brokers and say you must pay for waiting you shop we both enjoy. You don't understand me. You guys are not understanding me. Now she carries 70. Somebody is owing you 25 million naira. 25 million. They now gave you 100 million. If you are not greedy, if you no love money pass your life, if you no love money pass the peace of your mind, you go say, thank God I don't collect some of the money, may I waka go, may I let peace reign. If na me, if na you. You can't carry that money, you scatter am. Because una know in ourselves, say money dey. Money boku nyama nyama. Money boku japa japa. Money dey where e dey. Because you know this man than more than what you are making us to believe we know him. You know him. You are making us believe na business partners una be. But it dey look like say a past business partner relationship. For you to have even visited his home for business contracts, visited his home, and instantly that same day he carried towel for ranyash, he come meet you. He come meet you for where not only you No be say na only you and him dey inside the house. Other people, visitors, strangers dey inside the house. A man go come dey comfortable to tie towel to come and meet you inside the house, inside your room, just like that. Anyways, so dem give am 70 million. Na she scatter the 70 million because she's expecting more to come, more to land. The lawyer come talk. Make I read the lawyer response to what she said before we further and continue on the case, because he don drag very dark man. Not only very dark man, she drag who else did she? Very dark man, and she drag lawyer Barrister Marsha. She say she now posted their conversation, which I'm not doubting. You understand? That conversation between her and the lawyer. Many of you are saying the man is a legal representative. No, the man was part of the negotiation. To me, she has her own lawyer that she mentioned in that first video. She has her own lawyer. This guy was just part of the negotiation people to get her to collect her money, because the guy is in Abuja. So they had meeting with Ireti Kingibe and another senator, including Natasha. I go read them out now. Any suru for me. So this is what the lawyer said. My attention has been drawn to the falsehood being spewed by Miss Tracy Oiri. Indeed, the fact that you helped a viper out of a ditch doesn't stop the snake from biting you. It's an undeniable fact that I was the person that rallied public-spirited individuals like distinguished Senator Ireti Kingibe, very dark man, Comrade Omoyele Sowore, Flag Boy, Comrade Larin, and several other comrades to our aid. Our focus was that on no account should state apparatus be deployed to gag free speech, which is what they fought for. That you can't tell her not to talk. Allow her to talk. Her talking, no. She said she has her own lawyer. In the first video I did, he was just a lawyer for that case, meaning she was just a negotiator. He has her own lawyer. I play the video now. If you are just joining us, I can replay the video, but for time's sake, because it's about 15 minutes. But I don't know at which minute she mentioned that thing. That she has a lawyer. That the marshal told her not to speak to her own lawyer. That she has a lawyer. She said it. Okay, let me continue. Now these people came out for civil case that they should not lock you up. That is very wrong for them to lock you up. That was how they fought for you. Now, why didn't you ask your lawyer that you can trust? We are talking about money issue here, to step into the case. But of course, emotions could make us say, okay, barrister helped me. But what is the truth in this case? Negotiator and mediator, thank you. So let's continue. I had other activist lawyers to move her bail orally, and even while bail was granted, there was a long standoff and a lucid play to send her to prison at all costs, which we also online. We eventually succeeded and helped her escape prison. Distinguished Senator Ireti Kingibe tried to broker peace and mediate, but she informed me that Mr. Umahi insisted that he wasn't owing her and would not pay her unless she can establish the existence of a contract between them. And I still maintain, if truly it was a pure business deal running into such million, there must be something to say this is what we have between us, not conversation of saying God will punish you, and somebody will say God will punish you self. That kind talk from woman to man, you and I understand God will punish you, God is busy. You self know that kind of conversation. I am not saying anything else, so I know say them date too. I know say them be promise you, but I say e get some things wetin we no know for this case, make them tell us. Let's continue. I spoke to Senator Umahi with Mommy Reti's phone, and he was adamant. He promised he will exhaust the full judicial process to clear his name and promised to pay her in tenfold if the court ruled that he owes her. But unless that, she would face the full wrath of the law. We rescheduled a meeting, and I promised to revert back upon speaking with Mrs. Ohiri. When I spoke with her, I explained the entire situation to her and explained that she has two options. One, fight on or explore settlement. If she likes to fight on, we will fight with her, but she must provide necessary evidence on core issues. So if they have to go to court, they said, okay, if you want to continue to go to court, let her clear that aspect. Was there a time they told her that, okay, if you have to go to court, we are ready with you, provide evidence? Because till now, she's still saying the evidence she has was just that discussion. That cannot hold in court. Emotions does not work in court. Know this and know peace and do things right. I discovered there was no single real evidence or any contractual agreement between her and the minister. That there was no evidence that the minister ever engaged her to do any contract, and that there was no evidence that the minister was informed that was ever informed her that what happened to the Netherlands engineers will happen to her, and she couldn't show a single evidence that she delivered the goods to the minister's house as she claimed. Remember, I said it's a business that I'm familiar with. You will have a sample with you. Not only a sample, you will have documents of procurement and proposal and back and forth and check or something. There will be something that shows that you did business with somebody, especially considering the amount. We are not talking of 200 naira. We are not talking of 10,000 naira. We are not talking of 1 million naira. 25 million naira business. Not once, not twice, about 3 to 4 times. And no single evidence? Come on now. Anyway, let's go on. When she eventually decided, she said she doesn't want to go to Ebonyi State and that she wouldn't mind peace. So she agreed as a full-grown adult, no invoice exactly, that she wanted peace. She doesn't want to go to court. Why she no want to go court? If she feels she has a case, and the case court will have handled it better for her. Let's continue. The minister's friend, Barrister Jimo. Okay, we had a follow-up meeting with the minister's lawyer, Mr. Abdul San, the minister's friend, Barrister Joseph Ekumakama, Senator Ireti, Miss Tracy, her husband, Marshal Abubakar in attendance, and she said she was not part of the agreement. She was not there when things were concluded. Let's continue. The meeting ended in a stalemate. Mrs. Ohiri has a terrible temper and manner. She threw tantrums and insults at everyone in that meeting. Thus, it ended on a sore note, and she is exhibiting the same character because she's picking everybody to fight with now. Everyone. I told her clearly. Okay, hold on. Mrs. Ohiri has a terrible temper and manner. She threw tantrums and insults at everyone in that meeting, and it ended on a sore note. We all left. When the reality of what she had done on her, she called and started begging. I told her clearly she had chosen war and advised that she gets the evidence to prove her allegation. She pleaded and pleaded that I should not abandon her. At that point was when the Marshal was supposed to step down. So Marshal, you self messed up big time. You are fighting for somebody that doesn't even have evidence. What were you expecting? That at the end of the day she will clap for you? You self, abi you chop out of the money, me? Now question. Somebody doesn't have evidence and you want to continue to fight. Anyway, Mr. Umahi insisted that he will not pay a dime until she can show the evidence of communication between them prior to 2023. I reached out to Barrister Joseph, that is Umahi's friend. I reached out to Barrister Joseph, who himself was a former minister, and he offered to raise some money if she would recant the false allegations. Otherwise, I should allow her face the music. I informed her of their decision. I told her that I do not like getting involved in money matters. because of the bad blood it normally generates. She said she can't meet them because she's scared. I told her defamation under Nigerian law is both a crime and a tortious wrong. Though I have been at the vanguard of championing the fight to discriminate free speech, but it's still the law. She admitted she had no evidence and agreed to recant so long as the court processes against her will be terminated. They agreed to terminate. It was Barrister Joseph that gave me, please, I'm not looking for sentimental people. Grab along every statement and details on this case. He informed me, okay, hold on. So let me go back. She admitted she had no evidence and agreed to recant so long the court process against her will be terminated, and they agreed to terminate. It was Barrister Joseph that gave me a total sum of $70,000. So the question we want to ask here, when she agreed to terminate, did they tell her how much they were going to pay her? Did she ask how much they were going to pay her before she agreed to terminate? That is what they will ask her. Did you agree to terminate? Yes. Were you told how much you were going to terminate to be paid? No. Did you ask? No. Who is at fault? You for not asking. Right? And I don't want to believe she did not ask. She will have asked, how much are you guys going to pay me? Are you paying me my full money before I go ahead? All right? And how much is the full money? Does she have evidence that this is the amount she told them? Because I saw she recorded the barrister concerning signing of an agreement. Let her show us where their discussion of this is the amount you are going to pay you, and I have agreed to that amount. You understand? I have agreed to that amount and I'm ready to terminate. Or she just assumed, which is possible. Did she just assumed they were paying her the amount she's calling? If that is the case, then that was a big error. So let's go ahead. So they gave her a total sum of 70,000 and informed her that it's not compensation for any contract, neither was it admission that they are owing her, but just for the sake of peace and mediating approach to the issue. Barrister Joseph, still alive and can be contacted for verification. It is to be noted that in all of this, I never sought for any pecuniary gains for myself. Barrister Joseph and Senator Umahi can confirm that even when money for cola nuts and fuel in dollars, now dollar Nigeria they spend now, in dollars was offered, I politely turned it down, insisting that helping her find peace was my ultimate concern. Sadly, Mrs. Ohiri has fought every of my comrade and person that stood in her defense. She throws tantrum, lie spontaneously, and quickly turned friends and allies to foes. Her anger is that I could not get 300 million for her. I explained to her that her initial claim was 25 million. 100 million is far above that, and even a court of law will most likely not award her that much, even if she could establish a claim, which is true. She told me that she had her international lawyers that will help her get much more, and I wish her luck. She promised to drag my name online unless I meet them to pay her the 300 million that she had lost business. Thus, I must be held responsible. I must provide her money. It's so sad. No wonder she's shouting, Barrister Basha, give me my money. Give you your money. Now he owe you. Then secondly, why didn't you have your own personal representative at that meeting, even if you can't go? Please, am I making sense? Send your own lawyer to follow them and be there with them. That's what I think. Since you can't represent yourself and be there, you are scared to face them, then send your lawyer to be there and talk to that barrister and say, sorry, I want him to be there because of tomorrow. You know, these people can change story on me, so just let him be there. And while you are the time you were really negotiating this thing, did you record that aspect of the amount or no amount. What you showed us was just when you were asking for agreements. All right, let's continue and round up. It's just few lines more. I must be held responsible and provide her money. It's sad that a woman we put in our best defending at the expense of our lives and liberty could turn out to be this. We befriended a scorpion and get a life lesson. I will surely appraise the situation and take the appropriate legal actions against Mrs. Oyiri. So that was the barrister's response to the situation. Now, this lady was so manipulative. Few days to coming out to come and scream about barrister barrister Marsh. This is what she did. She released this video few days. When she released this video, I say apologizing. This is medicine after death. I never knew she was preparing ground to gather support. When she saw that the giveaway did not work, she now used this sentiment of apology to gather support before she dropped the bombshell. Unfortunately, did it work?
Nigerians, please, I apologize. Forgive me. If Nigeria is a working country, everybody will have a voice. Everybody's voice will count. Am I supposed to be fighting people who will use the taxpayer?
Am I supposed to be fighting people? She was already telling us at this inside this video without many noticing that she was coming back to fight. Am I supposed to be fighting people? But Nigerians are so sentimental. They saw the apology as true apology. Somebody is already crying inside for days. I want my money. Oh, she now said the money is not forthcoming. Another 200 million naira is not forthcoming. What next? Let me carry video and cry to Nigeria so that when I come out, they will be ready to embrace me without reasoning it and say this woman has gone through so much, and so much has gone through her. Let us listen. Oh yeah, I don't like greedy people.
Money to fight me back. Am I supposed to drain my business capital that I'm using to manage my life and that of my family to fight someone in power? And at the end of the day, I might not still get justice, because even the people that will give the justice, they've built houses for them and they have them in their pockets. I had to look at what was going on, the corruption that was staring me in the face. And I have to accept an offer that shouldn't be in the first place. I'm truly very sorry. I've not been myself. I'm not happy about it. It was not easy for me. All my life, I stood firm to condemn corruption, to speak against injustice, to fight for the oppressed. So how then can I come after waiting for 12 years to go off at the end? But looking at the situation that was facing me, I had no other choice but to succumb to the offer in order to collect what is rightfully mine. Nigerians, please, let's not fail ourselves. Come 2027. Please, let's not fail ourselves. Let's not fail ourselves again. Come 2027. The country belongs to only Nigerian politicians and their children. The corruption is so much. The corruption is so much. Please, Nigerians, come out en masse and vote against corruption. Come 2027. I am sorry and I sincerely apologize. God bless you. God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.
Alright guys, so she put out this video few days to coming out, just like how many days ago, when she was getting ready. When I saw the video and I saw some comments, people were like, why are you crying again? Just thank God they've paid you your money, just go. Not knowing what is really biting her was more than what she's talking about. People were like, maybe you've collected your money, why are you crying again? Just thank God, madam, you are lucky. Many people did not get this kind of money to collect. Some people said she would have said 110 million. So how is it different from $70,000? $70,000, it all depends on the exchange. Like I said, could be up to 110 million, 100 and something million, but as of today it's about 98 million. Last night, sorry, I don't know about today. I don't know what the exchange is on the app I use. It could be maybe more, maybe let's say plus or minus 100 million. Okay, it's still the same thing. Plus or minus 100 million that she collected. Now let's take it to court. If she goes to court, do you know it's the court that will determine how much she will be paid, not her? Irrespective, it is the court that will determine how much she will be paid. The court can say, and the way she will be paid, this one that she was giving lump sum, they won't say they should pay her lump sum. The person will say how much they can be. Please, if I'm not making sense, let me know here and tell me, auntie, it doesn't work that way. You know I respect your opinion on this channel. I don't know everything, so sometimes I may goof. Please correct me. I'm open to correction. When you take person owing you to court, the court will tell you, they will ask the debtor how they can be paying, but at the same time they will still be fair to both of you. Okay, it's not as if the person can pay 200 naira every month and that person will say he wants to pay you 1 naira. No, they will look at the income of that person, the inflow of how regular the money is coming in, and they say, okay, monthly pay him so amount. You heard a story of one of our subscriber here that said she took somebody to court on debt. The person said when they got to court, 6.2 million. They asked the person is supposed to be paying 50,000 naira every month. He said he don't even know where the person is after paying some for some months. So she's so lucky. 25 million has multiplied. Where is Margaret? How many minutes no buy me for Margaret? Tell me. 25 million has gotten to 100 million, and you are not satisfied with that. And when she came out that yesterday, I know say this morning go hot than yesterday. Only for me to wake up, I see say she don't attack Very Dark Man. Why did she attack Very Dark Man? Very Dark Man came out to speak on what he knows about the case. Let's quickly listen to. I'll forward Very Dark Man. I've sped it, so it won't be slow. It will go fast. Several thousand is over 100,000 if it was changed at the parallel market. Boki, you see. Where is that Very Dark Man video? Okay. Or let's listen to our conversation with the lawyer first. So this is the conversation she brought out about the lawyer. She recorded the lawyer. I hope this will not put her. You know, in Nigeria, anything can be used against you. But here, I don't know. I've never really thought about recording people. But one thing I know is that if you are recording people here, you have to let them know you want to record. I'm recording you, and I do that when I'm taking people's I'm talking to people and it needs to be recorded. I will let them know I am recording you. I may not tell them immediately, but while they are talking, I will say I've started recording you. You know, and before I can record, it has to be because there are some information, so that when I'm talking, I don't forget some vital information. Okay, you need consent now to record anybody. Okay, so I will say I'm recording you in case it's not as if I want to play it so I can remember. All right, But when you bring yourself and I know you can implicate me, I will record you. Just like Debbie case, I recorded and Debbie knew I was recording her. You understand? She knew I was recording her, because at a point when I was sleeping, she said, you are sleeping, I will continue. If she doesn't know I was recording, why did she say I will continue?